Fragrances Volume 2. He likes Montana Parfum de Homme a lot. Okay. Do you like Usher? Oh, he's pushing away for that one. Do you like Sugar Daddy Sexual Pour Homme? Is that a good one? It's a pimp spray. It's known as a panty dropper to some people. Do you think that's a good one? Is it a yes or no? Okay. Now, how about Eco? Oh, he likes. What does he like? You gotta turn him around. Very sexy for him. He likes the pheromones in that one a lot. Yeah, that's true. We're gonna move the camera down so you can smell the rest. Which one do you like the most? Is it very sexy for him? He's smelling. Black XS! Oh yeah, we gotta turn the camera down to show the last bottles. This is the good side. Issey Miyake and Black XS and Fierce Cologne by Abercrombie & Fitch. Now they got his attention. So what do you think? Do you like any of them? Which one do you like the most? He's actually into fragrances quite a bit, but he wants to sit down.